What's going on, y'all? It's time to make them burgers. So the first thing we got to do is just rain on them. Hit them with our special seasoning blend. Now this gonna be them onion burgers, and we gonna do them butter burgers too. Now we gonna see which one is the best, y'all. But anyway, while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe, y'all. And hit that notification bell too, y'all. That way you updated every time I put out a video. But anyway, after we get our burgers on, we gonna get our buns on. Now these first two are strictly those onion burgers, y'all. So we gonna get our onions on top and then give them a smash. Smashing those onions inside or into those burgers. And after about a minute, you need to check them buns. They should be done. All we want to do is get a nice little toast on them. One of them didn't toast all the way, so we left it on. But it's time to give our burger a flip, y'all. And then we gonna press those onions in just a little bit more. Oh yeah. And that last bun should be ready to come off now. And after cooking on this griddle for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5, depending on the size of your burger, we gonna get them off, y'all. We gonna get them off. And look at those burgers. All that good onion all through it. And you know how I like mine. But anyway, we ain't gonna take you through the whole process with this butter burger. We just got our burgers back down. Got some more buns on. Then got them off. Then hooked it up with that big dollop of butter, y'all. This was about 3 tablespoons of butter right here, y'all. It's time to taste. Butter burger first. And oh my goodness, that thing is good, y'all. I couldn't believe how good that burger was with that good butter on it. That's amazing to me. Now for that onion burger. Onion burger, y'all, is good, but it ain't got nothing on that butter burger. I'm so surprised.